Welcome to part 3. Till now, we have designed all body components of our ornithopter. Now it's time to assemble everything. In this video, we'll use the top-down assembly approach, apply joints and constraint, and ensure smooth flapping motion. So let's dive in and make it fly. Now we'll start applying joints. Since we are using top-down assembly, we will apply joints from assemble, invoke as build joint, and we have to select this component first and the second component. Okay. Now in type we have to change to revolute and snap point this edge. Now we can see it animates. Okay. From here we can see all the joints we are applying. Next, take as build joint and we'll select the second component first and the first component, and in type change to rigid. So this is to make the first and second component fixed. Okay. Now let's apply revolute joint, invoke as build joint, and we are selecting third component and the connecting rod. Okay. Now in type change to revolute and the snap point we'll select this edge. Now we can see it animates. Okay. So these are the joints we applied. From the first joint we applied, select animate joint relation. We can see it rotates. Press the escape key. Okay. Now again from assemble take as build joint. Select this component first and this connecting rod. Type it is revolute. Now we will select the snap point. Select this edge as snap point. Okay. From here, animate joint relation. Here is the animation. Okay. Now we'll apply next joints. From assemble, as build joint. Now we have to select this component first and this connecting rod. This revolute and here as snap point. Okay. Now we'll do same with this rod, and from assemble as build joint, this component first and this component. Type it is revolute and here is snap point. Okay. Now from assemble, you can take as build joint, select this component and this connecting rod, and we'll apply joints between them. Here the snap point. Okay. For this also, as build joint, Select the connecting rods and revolute this snap point. Okay. Okay, let's see. Animate joint relation. Okay. Now the motion you can see. Press the escape key. As build joint. Select this component and the wing. Okay. Now here snap point. Okay. Now we'll give joint to the other wing also. Animate joint relation. Now here is the flapping motion. We have to apply joints to the second wing. Press the escape key. And from assemble as build joint, select the connecting rod first and the wing. And in type, okay. Here snap point. Okay. Let's see. Yes, this is the final result. So finally we have completed the flapping motion of our ornithopter. Here we can see the wings flapping. Okay. Let's make it isometric. Now to hide joint, from here select object visibility and you can turn off the joints. Okay. Since we have applied all the joints, we'll move on to the next part. The next part is giving appearance. For that, from here, take render workspace. So here is where we will give all the appearance. We'll select the appearance. And here we can find all the materials and colors we need. So select anodized glossy blue aluminum. For the body frame, I'll give the blue aluminum. And to this motor, I'll give the red one. Okay. Now to the connecting rods and frame, we'll give metal. And paint, select metallic and you can give black metallic. Just drag and drop here into the frame, this frame, this rod to the opposite rod. Okay. And also the battery body. Okay. We have not applied here. Let's give to this component also. Okay. Now for wings, we'll give silicon. Here, type silicon. Okay, the option has come. Drag and drop to wings. Okay, and also to the tail. So here is the final look. With the appearance applied, our ornithopter is now fully designed. Finally, let's give motion to the ornithopter with the added appearance, bringing it to life and ensuring smooth functionality. Now we can go to design workspace. Okay. From here, select animate joint relation. Yes. With all the components designed, assembled and detailed with appearance, our ornithopter is now complete. I hope this tutorial has guided you through each step clearly, helping you to bring your design to life. Thank you.